Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to check Windows version in PC or laptop. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have Windows 11. So if you have the Windows 11, just follow my steps and you will get to go. So first of all, what you need to do is to right click on the start button and then you will see the settings option. So tap on the settings. And from here, you need to go to the system option on the left side. Just tap on the system and then scroll it down until you find the option called about. Just go to the about section. And as you can see, under the Windows specification, you can see the edition of the Windows, that is Windows 11 Pro. And if we go to the version, as you can see, the OS build is like this. So this is the version that I am using right now, and my Windows edition is Windows 11 Pro. So that's how you can simply check your Windows edition. So thank you so much guys for watching this video and have a great day.